Jai Srimanarayana. By chanting Shantakaram Bhujagasayanam Shloka on a regular basis ends all doubts and confusion. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Shantakaram Bhujagasayanam Padmanabham Suresham Vishwadharam Gaganasadrusham Meghavarnam Shubhangam Lakshmikantam Kamalanayanam Yogi Hrudyanagamyam Vande Vishnum Bhavabhayaharam Sarvalokaikanadham. By chanting this Shantakaram Bhujagasayanam Shloka regularly ends all doubts and confusion. This chanting blesses you with strong personality. It eliminates all fear, granting you spiritual protection. For example, an average man constantly haunted by fear of the future, the Lord takes charge of such an individual, safeguarding one's mental health. Once concentration increases, one shall gain the strength to face one's fears without succumbing to them, and the individual becomes sensitive to negative energy and are able to stop it from entering your personal space. Jai Srimanarayana. If you like the content in this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel. Thank you all.